What's your name?
Cody Lee Jolly.
There was no counsel appointed.
How did that happen?
I was representing myself.
You're going to represent yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so what do you want to do today?
Is this pre?
It's one of those courtroom moments that makes you unsure whether to laugh or feel bad. Cody JW walks in with full confidence, ready to defend himself, but it quickly becomes clear he doesn't know what he's doing. Watching him struggle is like seeing someone try to fly a plane just because they once watched a video about it online.
Cause conference.
Probably.
That concerns me if you don't know that and they're going to represent
Yeah, I'm
yourself.
going to plead not guilty.
Okay, you already entered a plea. What are you going to do with the hearing?
The hearing today?
Yes.
I'm just going to plead not guilty.
Okay, that's you've done that.
Right.
So what do you want to do with this case?
I mean, it's up to you. I'm not understanding what.
No, you're not. It's not up to me.
Plead
Tell
not
me
guilty.
what you want to do.
Pre-trial.
Pardon?
My hope was to take it to pre-trial.
Well, the next stage would be a preliminary examination. Is that what you want?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know what that is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is it?
The preliminary hearing.
Yeah.
It's another case similar to this, and then there's other options. I'm seeking discovery.
You could almost see the judge losing patience. Cody keeps saying he wants to plead not guilty, not realizing that's not what this hearing is for. The sad part is, he really thinks he's handling everything well. But court isn't about confidence. It's about knowing what you're doing, and in criminal cases, that confusion can easily take away.
Oh,
Before trial. For trial, right?
Is there a reason you don't want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes,
Because
Your
I
Honor.
see this thing going south real fast.
I've represented myself before, and I prefer it.
Have you requested discovery?
I have not.
Why not? You're here at probable cause conference. Why haven't you requested discovery?
For me, there was no issue, there was no conflict, there's no case. There's no case whatsoever.
You requested discovery. You
Not-
know what
not yet.
discovery is?
Can I request
Do you know
it?
what discovery is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What
It's
is it?
all the evidence in the case.
Okay, have you
Well,
requested that from the people?
I have not.
Then how do
Can I
you
request
know
it now?
there's nothing there? You're going to have to do it in your own way to request it.
Do you
I
want
mean,
it by-
I can't help you through this process.
Would you like
wanna
it by mail?
represent yourself,
I'd like to represent myself. Your Honor.
then you're going to have to request discovery.
Do you want me to request discovery?
I don't care what you do. I'm just telling you, if you're going to represent yourself, you're going to need to request discovery. You haven't even requested discovery.
I currently I am right now. If you'd rather me do it by mail, I can do it by mail.
Well, there's a way in which you do it.
You got to file it to the circuit, or to the circuit court, to the prosecutor,
for Pete's sakes.
and also to the
No,
yes.
that is
The moment things shift is when the judge asks Cody about discovery, meaning the evidence collected against him. Cody confidently replies that there is no case. It's not bravery, it's pure denial. The judge's expression says everything. Cody is about.
Your Honor, and just for the record, and so that defendant is aware, he is charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual conduct. That is a high court misdemeanor, punishable by up to 2 years and/or $500.
You understand that, sir,
Yes.
right? Yeah, I'm going to do it. Let's not set it for freedom. Do you know how to, you don't even know how to go about getting the discovery on this case, do you? Do you want to talk to somebody about how to try to get your discovery on it?
I can honestly do it myself. If you'd like me to discover, I can file for discovery.
You don't even know how to do,
By-
do you know what you do to get discovery?
Before, usually when I file by mail or in front of the judge, or I request it.
Okay, I'm trying to offer you somebody to talk to so they can show you how to get your discovery.
Then comes the real shock. 2 charges of criminal sexual conduct. Most people would be stunned hearing something that serious, but Cody just responds casually. Yeah, I do. The room goes silent. It's clear he hasn't grasped the gravity of what's happening. This isn't some minor offense.
I'm getting your discovery because you file a motion and you haven't requested it as a prosecutor. I'm not granting. You're going to be wasting everybody's time.
Okay, so if you don't accept it by mail or in front of you, in what way would you prefer me to file? Every judge is different, so.
No, every judge in this county isn't different. Welcome to Washington.
I've been in Washington.
Would you like somebody to help you at least tell you how to get discovery in this case.
If someone wants to tell me, that'd be great, but I still prefer to represent myself.
I don't care if you represent yourself.
What's wrong?
I'm asking you because you have no discovery. You're going to walk into a preliminary examination,
Yes, if you
and it's going to be a problem.
right. If you prefer it to be,
I don't
motion
care.
be filed
I'm not.
differently
It's
than
not an
self-office.
issue of my preference. I'm trying to get somebody to help you before you become an absolute disaster regarding this case. So I will make the offer again. Would you like to talk to somebody about how to get your discovery?
I would love to talk to him anyway.
Mr. Gaddy, will you please speak with this gentleman about how to get his discovery? I would appreciate it.
When the judge says, "Every judge isn't different. Welcome to Washington." You can hear the tiredness in her voice. She isn't being rude. She's trying to help him see reality. But Cody keeps rejecting her guidance, stuck in his own false confidence. It's a clear example of pride slowly leading someone to ruin.
To give a new date.
Oh, okay.
Because it's not going to come back up here before me not to adjourn this matter to March 1st, 2023 for 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Yes, Your Honor. I have a question for you, and I have a tether that's on that I can't afford. Is there any way that it was just because of stipulations of ROR? I'm wondering if it's
To
possible.
remove the tether?
Is not a flight risk or anything. I'm just living in town.
Denied.
Is wrong.
Thank you. Bond will continue.
Just when it seems like things couldn't get any worse, Cody asked the judge to take off his ankle monitor, right after hearing he's being charged with sex crimes. The timing is unbelievable, almost like something out of a movie. The judge simply says, "Denied," and moves on. This whole moment is a lesson. Confidence without understanding